I remember how a bird hit our glass door and became unconscious, and I thought it was a him, and it turns out it's a cardinal, a female, and it was unconscious for 10 minutes, and I picked it up and mustered all my bravery and my courage to save it and put it in a warm place like our bathroom. Yes, so I had her in the bathroom. I didn't know what I was doing. I just thought like maybe I can heat her up with a warm bottle of water. In the meantime, it had a friend waiting outside. This is the friend of the bird. It was in the holding cell for about 5 hours. We didn't know what to expect. When Chris opened the door, the bird was up and about. It was clear that we need to release it into the wild. Good. Hold on. Oh.
Yeah, that's a cardinal.
You
got.
It's gonna be okay. Just let it gently. And if you look real long and hard, you can see that the cardinal is with all its family and friends.